Now friends, I am going to teach you my next topic about maps. Map. What is the meaning of map? Map is useful to us in many ways. Without map, we cannot search any place. If we are going to move any places, we can find places and exact location with the help of map. Now, with the help of phone, we search our any kind of places on Google Map. So map is very useful to us. What is a map? Map is a visual representation of the earth on a flat surface. Yesterday I taught you about globe. Our geographer make a globe. On the globe, we learn so many latitudes and longitudes. Globe is a representation of the earth and map is a visual representation of the earth on a flat surface. Globe is a representation of the earth and in a circular form, and map is a visual representation on a flat surface. With the help of map, we can get exact location of the places. The art of making or drawing maps is called cartography. Cartography. The person who has skill of the person who has a skill of making maps is called cartographer. The person who has a skill of making map is called cartographer. Our cartographer makes a map with the help of symbols. They uses so many kind of symbols for locating places very easily. Maps can provide a lot of information about physical features, political divisions, weather, climate, agriculture, industries, minerals, trade route, etc. Our geographer, these all kind of things maintained in the maps. Within the map, our cartographer make a map book. It is called Atlas. Our cartographer make a map book. It is called Atlas. In Atlas, they dictate these all kind of physical features of our country, any countries, our whole world countries' physical features, their political divisions, their weather, climate, agriculture, industries, all. Now, friends, see here is the Atlas book. In Atlas book, we can find of all kind of state map, country map, and our world map also. It is called Atlas book Atlas. In this book, Here is the weather. We can find all kind of weathers about our country. Then its political division, how it politically divide our country. Here, see, this is the all kind of countries. Division. Now friends, I am going to explain this map, its political divisions. Or Jammu and Kashmir. Now here is the political division of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Rajasthan, and Sri Lanka, Assam. This kind of states our cartographer divides in different kind. This is called the political divisions in a map language. Political divisions. Now friends, our cartographer dictate only north direction on the map. If we find the north direction, then downside, its downside we get south direction. Its right side we get east and left side we get west. Then after directions, here is the north direction. Then we can find its downside south. Its right side we get east direction and its left side we get west direction. If we find the north, east, south and west, then after we can find its sub-direction. What is the meaning of sub-direction? Sub-direction means in between north and east we find northeast. In north and west we find northwest. In between east and south southeast. In between south and west southwest. These all are the sub-direction.